Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain PLYNK Investing App review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the analysis about PLYNK. PLYNK is a beginner focused investing app that aims to simplify the process. You can invest with little as $1 in stock, ETFs or cryptos, and it offers user-friendly features like PLYNK Explore, expert rate pick, and educational insight. Many users praise its clean, intuitive interface and low barriers to entry, call it a breeze to use. It's not perfect. The app is known to be buggy, slow, and clunky, especially when navigating screens or linking banks. And customer support is limited to emails. Some user reports withdrawal delays or trouble accessing sign-up bonus fund. It's also basic by designs, lack advanced research tools or in-depth analytics. No serious investors tend to outgrow it quickly. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this investing platform. And that's it.